Demystifying corrupt. Dive into its meaning. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English word, corrupt. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. At its core, the word corrupt has two primary meanings. 1. Dishonesty for personal gain. For example, a politician who takes bribes is considered corrupt. 2. To change or spoil something so it becomes harmful or morally wrong. When used as an adjective, corrupt describes someone or something that is dishonest or immoral. Example: the corrupt manager was fired for stealing company funds. As a verb, corrupt means to make someone or something become dishonest or immoral. Example: power can corrupt people, making them act in ways they wouldn't have before. There are some popular phrases in English that use the term corrupt. Let's look at a couple. 1. Corrupt to the core. This means that something or someone is thoroughly corrupt, without any redeeming qualities. 2. Power tends to corrupt. Absolute power corrupts absolutely, a famous saying implying that a person's sense of morality decreases as his or her power increases. Knowing synonyms is a great way to enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms of corrupt are deceitful, unscrupulous, tainted, polluted. There you have it. From its basic meaning to its use in sentences and common phrases, we hope you now have a clearer understanding of the word corrupt. Remember, English is a vast and rich language, and there's always something new to learn. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary.